I am thrilled to invite you to participate in Igor Stravinsky's 4 Russian ballets, Up Close and Personal. The reason to be involved in this is that these 4 ballets of Stravinsky, which were all composed in the second decade of the 20th century, are life-changing in the way that then 20th century music has evolved. And we're all familiar with the Firebird, Petrushka, and Le Sacre du Printemps, but it's the 4th ballet, Les Noces, that not many of us know. This is a very unusual piece. It is a ballet cantata that calls for 4 pianos, 11 percussionists, choir, and ballet. This will be your first opportunity to experience Les Noces up close and personal, because we are going to invite you to a rehearsal as the Arizona Choir and the UA Dance Ensemble wrestle with this piece to put it on, and then we're going to provide you with a ticket for a performance that will take place in Stevie Eller the week of February 15 through the 19th. So during the 4 class sessions, you will be able to see clips from each one of these 4 ballets, and we'll talk about the socio-economic artistic milieu of the second decade in Paris and the influences that were on Stravinsky at the time, coming from Picasso, and how Stravinsky's music then has influenced the next generation of composers. If you've ever wanted to know why Stravinsky's music is so spectacular, here's where you're going to find it out and find out what makes it tick. In addition, we'll explore some of the aspects of how difficult it is to deal with this music and the dance production and putting live dancers with these ballets. Most of us now experience this ballet music in concert form, and here's an opportunity to actually see it danced. Just after the Rite of Spring, Stravinsky started the composition of Les Noces. The texts for this were texts that Stravinsky himself gathered together on a trip back to St. Petersburg. The texts were poems and snippets from Afanasiev, which Stravinsky put together. It is really ritualistic. So we spend the first tableau at the bride's house, and we see what this bride goes through ritualistically to get ready for the wedding. The second tableau, we're at the groom's house, and we see what a groom goes through to prepare himself for a wedding. The third tableau is actually the procession to the church. The 4th tableau, believe it or not, is the wedding reception. So you never really do see the wedding, but you get to the wedding reception and the music gets increasingly drunk as the wedding party does as well. It is absolutely a riot and a not to be missed. Please join us for these 4 very exciting opportunities to deal with the 4 ballets of Igor Stravinsky from the second decade of the 20th century. An up-close and personal look, as you will be able to attend rehearsals and a performance as a direct result of this class.